to become sweet, they want me to become nice. Even the love inside me, I feel because I love you. But they want me to push me. They want me to try to more like you're pestering me.
I love you. You know the I love you. Muna when he hardly calls her phone, muna text even pa WhatsApp because munga chidaka anokwanisa kutongochinja line or chinja personal line zokuti anokwanisa kutaura neni.
But you know that they want my phone, and you know those phones are switched off for the reason that in my life I didn't get business. Offices. I'm always with mama. She cannot see me holding another phone. I wanted to talk to you, Mom. Free.
Okay. But at least and the school can.
Do you understand my life? Do you understand my life?
You know, I don't know.
I've been on 5 a.m. I've been on 5 a.m. Even on when I'm working the next 15 minutes, when I'm going to phone.
Okay.
So imagine which the time I trick that to the phone, couldn't send the message which Mama do on the phone. That would don't blame me. So from what day when I message you, don't blame me. Let us talk this through. Why is she? But the book with wisdom, which is why have I been blocked? Why have I someone sent me a message that Monday?
Ask on the one I can't understand. But what I think that ask that you put him on in this act. What it can I say a consequence in Gandhi provision because little crisis and check a married in because
the way you talk, 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 the way you talk. You talk as if it's your man, number one. You talk as if it's your right, number two. You talk as if I mean, so you could around. Who doesn't attract a person back to you, which pushes them away. Okay, listen to you. Let me teach you as a father. If you want to have a good relationships in the life, don't talk as if you are pushing someone. You push them away. Okay, so how come was Rosana? What would you and I tell you if a brother and your laptop, you are not going to laptop. What was one? What are my laptop? You spoke nice, then I realized the need. Simple. And I'm going to come and take my laptop. I want to put in the laptop, you.
Okay, noted.
You have to use wisdom on talking to attract the favor from someone that loves you. Simple.
Daddy.
Yeah.
That's so why.
Yeah, I'm always the eye. No shand. There's no shand. There's no good outside to see what's not perfect.
Daddy, that's so why.
Okay, I miss you too.
That's so good going into code.
Yes?
That's so good going into code.
I love you.
I love you, Anne.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah? I love you. Don't know. So I love you, Anne.
No, you don't know. You don't know.
I want to know your thoughts. I love you. Don't know.
What are you going to do?
Cambodge. Cambodge. I'm not going to go
but I want to Bindura and Indian team around. Let me go in the car and go into Bindura. I'll see my profile. Cannot be done for Harry. I had delay with Joker. You know, one of your money. But all the same, I have a problem. I'll solve it.
Okay, but most probably, you know, going
and when I've been doing family and money, but no, was open for myself for ladies and Guinea. My family, then from there down on my combination, and of the tower and fish is not even moving. Karoi. So from Karoi, then I come back to office. According to my Guinea movement, maybe and take me to be by 5-4. From a 4-5, no, I'll send a message with Damara. Message. And the avoid delete and my because my phone is this one is the most private line now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna send them down on the check the time that goes away.
And that's what you can say,